Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to about guys how can we solve Wi-Fi problem in our Tecno mobile. Guys, you want to solve your Wi-Fi problem in your Tecno phone. So friends you can solve, and guys now let's see how to solve Wi-Fi problem in our Tecno mobile. In this video I will show you. So when first of all open your phone setting to solve your Wi-Fi problem. So when we will on our phone setting to solve our Wi-Fi problem, so when we will scroll it. Guys, click on guys your phone system setting, guys tap here, and guys you can see guys this backup and restore, and guys you can see your reset option. So friends tap here and guys click on your first one reset setting. So friends you can see your Wi-Fi setting, and we will tap here to solve our Wi-Fi problem. So guys after 3 and 4 seconds guys your Wi-Fi problem will solve. Then guys you can use your Wi-Fi setting without any problem. After that guys you have any problem in your related to guys your Wi-Fi settings, so guys take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.